Maraming mga negosyante ang nag-aakala na ang training is just essential for technical skills and is not really required to customer service or sa sales. Well, technical skills talagang acknowledged na importante yan. Pero when you combine technical skills with other skills, napaka-deadly ng iyong empleyado. Example, if they know soft skills like communication, leadership, if they know how to resolve conflicts and handle objections, if they know paano mag-establish ng rapport sa iyong mga kliyente. All of these things contribute to delivering a quality service and a quality experience para sa iyong mga kliyente. So therefore, it will put your company on a different level. It will make your brand more distinguished because hindi lang kayo magaling technically, but you have other skills that if not equally important, may be more important than technical skills. That's why napaka-importante that these employees, they will also be equipped not just technically but in other skills as well.